Is your desk always cluttered with your laptop taking up too much space? In today's video, we're checking out the best vertical laptop stands that can instantly clean up your setup and make it look more professional. These smart accessories hold your laptop upright, saving space, improving airflow, and making multi-screen setups much easier. Stick around to find the perfect stand for your workspace, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have SODI Vertical Laptop Stand. Aesthetics and practical design. With sleek and minimalist Eiffel design, the vertical laptop stand transforms into a desktop decor dock holder. With closed clamshell mode, making the laptop stand both functional and space-saving. Effortlessly adjust your laptop with gravity, with no screws needed or manual adjustments, ensuring a secure fit every time. Fits most laptops and tablets up to 1.05 inch in thickness. The space-saving desk laptop stand can hold laptops, cell phones, tablets, books, and Kindle simultaneously or separately. The desktop accessory keeps your laptop straight, improves heat dissipation to avoid overheating. Our vertical laptop stand suitable for all laptops with thickness up to 1.05 inches/27 millimeters. Compatible with 13-inch MacBook Air, MacBook Air M1 and M2, 13-16 MacBook Pro, MacBook Pro M1 and M2, 2019 to 2023, tablets and cell phones. Durable and stable. Made of premium aluminum, the vertical laptop stand holder is durable and stable. Featuring high-quality silicone pads that keep your laptop secure, preventing from scratches and sliding. At number 2 we have COREMINDED Vertical Laptop Stand. Enhance your workspace with this aesthetic laptop vertical stand, crafted from solid wood and a premium weighted metal base to deliver both elegance and space-saving functionality for your home or office setup. Built for durability and stability, the strong wooden frame combined with a sturdy metal base ensures long-lasting performance, while the anti-skid silicone layer keeps the stand firmly in place on any desk surface. The fully adjustable design fits laptops between 0.5 inch to 1.5 inches thickness, allowing you to customize the width easily for a secure and perfect fit within seconds. Designed with inner felt lining, it provides maximum protection against scratches and daily wear, keeping your laptop safe and secure at all times. Made as an eco-conscious, completely plastic-free solution, this stand not only supports sustainability but also adds a premium and modern touch to your workspace. Its compact vertical design helps improve airflow around your laptop, preventing overheating during extended use. At number 3 we have QUUGE Laptop Docking Station Stand. Docking Station Dual Monitor adopts a 2-in-1 design of stand and dock, which can be used as a desktop docking station for laptops or as a laptop stand. Vertical placement can save desktop space. Horizontal placement can effectively increase the visual height of the laptop display and improving work efficiency. 6 commonly used interfaces can meet the needs of connecting multiple devices. This laptop stand docking station is equipped with 2 HDMI ports, which can realize dual monitor 4K at 60 Hz display. With the computer screen, you can enjoy a triple monitor display at the same time. In addition, one interface is HDMI 2.1 specification, and the single screen output can reach up to 4K at 120 Hz, which can greatly reduce the sense of stuttering and tearing of the picture, presenting a smoother visual effect, especially suitable for watching sports videos and games. USB-C hub. Dual HDMI for laptop supports PD 3.0 fast charging function. When used with a 100 watts charger, it can provide a maximum of 85 watts, device loss 15 watts, full speed charging for laptops. At number 4 we have OMOTON Vertical Laptop Stand. Upgrade your workspace with this updated double dock laptop stand, designed to securely hold 2 laptops at once such as MacBook, Samsung, or Microsoft Surface, making it perfect for multitasking setups. The adjustable width design supports devices with thickness ranging from 0.55 inches, 14 millimeters, to 1.65 inches, 42 millimeters, ensuring a snug and customized fit for different laptops and notebooks. Built with protective, non-toxic silicone mats inside the slots, it prevents scratches and keeps your devices safe, while anti-slip silicone pads on the base provide extra stability on any desk surface. Crafted from durable anodized aluminum, this stand is scratch-resistant and features a wide, sturdy base that prevents tipping or accidental falls. The exquisite sandblasted, brushed, and CNC machined finish gives it a premium look and feel, closely matching the sleek texture of a MacBook for a modern and professional desk aesthetic. At number 5 we have Oakywood Dual Laptop Dock Stand. Improved organization. Streamline your workspace with the Oakywood Dual Laptop Dock, an excellent wooden stand designed for dual device organization. Effortlessly store 2 laptops or tablets up to 24mm, 0.95-inch, thick, enhancing your desk's aesthetics and functionality. One-handed control and adjustability. Experience seamless control with micro-suction technology, allowing you to easily control the stand with one hand while it securely sits on your desk. The laptop stand supports devices up to 24mm, 0.95-inch, thick and enables adjustable width for a secure fit. Device safety. Protect your valuable devices with the utmost care. Lined with soft wool felt and flock, the wooden laptop stand prevents scratches and enables proper ventilation. Prioritize the safety of your gadgets without compromising on style. Design geometry with natural materials, crafted with solid walnut and oak wood on a stainless steel base. The dual laptop dock combines aesthetics with functionality. At number 6 we have UPERGO vertical laptop stand. Premium materials crafted with black walnut wood and aluminum. This MacBook Pro stand combines the natural charm of walnut with the abundance and allure of aluminum, making it a visually appealing choice. Versatile compatibility. This adjustable stand is suitable for a wide range of devices from 0.7 to 1.5 inches, including laptops and iPads. Say goodbye to cluttered desks with this versatile workstation solution. Enhanced device protection. The walnut wood panel is equipped with scratch-resistant pads, while the aluminum base features a silicone cushion, providing optimal protection against scratches and damage. Additionally, the anti-slip silicone pads ensure secure placement on any desktop surface. Sustainable design. Handmade with leftover wood pieces and recyclable aluminum, this stand promotes sustainability and minimizes waste. Hassle-free returns and extended warranty. We offer a 30-day return policy and an 18-month warranty. At number 7 we have UGREEN 3-slot vertical laptop stand. 3-slot design. The vertical laptop stand holds laptop when it's connected to monitor or simply for storage. With updated dock version, the laptop stand holds 3 laptops simultaneously in an upright position to optimize and organize desktop space. Adjustable slot. The laptop holder stand can loosen the base screws to simply adjust the gap and tension to fit any laptop with the thickness between 0.47 inches and maximum 1 inch. The slot is easily extensible by twisting the screw, even no tools needed. Broad compatibility. This stand for laptop is compatible with MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Microsoft Surface, Samsung Galaxy Book, Lenovo IdeaPad 3, HP Notebook, Dell Chromebook, ThinkPad and other computers up to 17.3 inches. Sturdy and stable. The vertical laptop stand for desk is made of premium aluminum alloy, ensuring great stability for holding your laptop. The base is also covered with silicone pads to avoid slipping or sliding. Bottom silicone pads ensure your device remains in place and never slides off the stand. At number 8 we have HumanCentric vertical laptop stand. Optimize your desk. Connect an external monitor, keyboard and mouse to your laptop, then dock your laptop or MacBook. Use closed clamshell mode for MacBooks to save valuable desk space and to protect your device from spills. Instantly adjust to fit. No tools or inserts needed. The vertical laptop stand automatically grips the laptop when it is placed into the stand. Fits most laptops and MacBooks up to 1 inch in thickness, including those with laptop skins and cases. Patent pending design. Sleek and minimalist design, multiple US and international patents pending, is both functional and space-saving while adding a unique look and feel to your desk setup. Vertical laptop stand made of anodized aluminum alloy with a black finish. Durable and stable. Silicone pads securely grip your laptop or MacBook. Silicone feet keep it in place on your desk, and scratch-resistant material keeps it looking great. Satisfaction guaranteed. If you have any problems with your stand, send it right back to us, no questions asked. At number 9 we have OMOTON vertical laptop stand. Keep your workspace neat and efficient with this vertical laptop stand that securely holds your device while optimizing valuable desktop space. The adjustable width design supports a wide range of laptops and notebooks with thickness from 0.55 inches, 14 millimeters, up to 2.71 inches, ensuring broad compatibility. Crafted with exquisite workmanship, it features a sandblasted, brushed, and CNC machined anodized aluminum alloy finish for a premium look and feel. Built for durability, the scratch-resistant aluminum construction and wide, stable base prevent tipping and provide long-lasting reliability. Non-slip silicone mats inside the dock protect your laptop from scratches while keeping it firmly in place during everyday use. Its open vertical design improves airflow around your device, helping reduce heat buildup during extended use. Ideal for home, office, or workstation setups where organization and performance matter. Compatible with MacBook, Windows laptops, and other notebooks, making it a versatile addition to any desk setup. At number 10 we have Elestoria Vertical Laptop Stand. This aluminum alloy laptop holder for desk stores laptops vertically, occupying minimal desk space while keeping your work area orderly. The vertical orientation utilizes passive thermal convection, allowing for improved heat dissipation and airflow compared to laying devices flat on a desk surface. This vertical laptop holder features an innovative gravity-linked auto-locking mechanism. It makes docking incredibly easy. Simply place your laptop in the center and the weight automatically secures the clasp. Lift your laptop to release, no manual screws or additional tools are required. The laptop stand vertical is engineered to hold your device upright and elevate it, providing an unobstructed path for exhaust vents. This design significantly improves thermal management, helping to prevent thermal throttling during high-performance tasks or clamshell mode use. Our laptop holder vertical stand features an extra stable scissor clasp design for added structural integrity.